I'm Gary Gray. I work for Midland Co. and I am the packaging specialist for our packaging division doing shrink and automated stretch. So I got good feedback from a partner that we work with to reach out to Ryan. He's been great to work with. I get phone calls back. He's immediate and prompt with his responses. You guys' pricing is good, and you just have a good product line that work really well with our customer base. I can give them the AutoCAD. You guys drop in the drawings with your equipment laid out in their plant, so we can do a real quick check, make sure everything's cleared and good to go. I get feedback from your company letting me know if we need to move something, or I get feedback from the customers, and I can give that right to Ryan, and he's responded right back with another drawing fairly quickly, getting this all set back up so we can get an approval drawing and a project started with our customers. Coming back to STI was easy. Like I said, once we got to working with you guys in a partnership growing, everything kind of fell into place. I know how you guys' system works. Ryan kind of knows how my system works. And then the way we just lay everything out for the customer base, whether we go on site or have a Teams meeting or whatever it is to get these guys dialed in, it just really helps the all-around process with our customer base. We've got a lot of customers have multiple locations, so it kind of bled through from one facility to the next, and it just kind of followed suit as we dialed it in.